Hey guys, so once you're here in the Yahoo login page, you're just going to type in your email or your username over here. So basically, you're just going to sign in like the usual, then just click on next. Then you're going to type in your password, then you're going to click on next. And since your email account has been deactivated because it's old and you haven't used it for a while, they will ask you to verify your identity through a code that they will be sending in your recovery email or your recovery phone number. So just go ahead and get the code from your recovery email or phone number, and after you've typed in the verification code, they will prompt you to create a new password and you'll be able to sign in again into your old account. Or if you've forgotten your password, just click on forgotten password, and then they will let you select an option on how you can sign in, either using your email or a phone number that is linked into your account. And after that, you're also going to make a new password. So I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.